Hello guys, what I got here is a 12-inch Sang rotating grill box fan. I got the same time as together with the Taurus 12-inch oscillating desk fan. It's from July of 2025, but I'd say this box fan is from 2023 and all that. Here's how the box look like. The model is SBX12, up to 1250 RPM. It goes up to 40 watts, so it's a weaker fan than the Taurus 12-inch oscillating fan. The Taurus 12-inch oscillating fan goes up to 45 watts. Let's go ahead and have it a little demonstration as I turn on the timer. You have a choice on how many minutes, up to a single hour, you want the fan being on. Wow. The top part of the grill has less air than the one in the bottom. I'm gonna give you a close-up sound. See if that. Here it is on medium at 1200 RPM. That's a good amount of air. And here's high at full 40 watts. That's 1250 RPM. I'd say it's pretty louder than the Taurus 12-inch oscillating desk fan. So here are the grills that are gonna rotate. So this is the switch for the grills to rotate. By the way, the blade pitch of this fan is the same quality as the Taurus 12-inch oscillating desk fan. Let's go and have the spin down on both of these fans once I get the camera and tripod. Alright, we'll turn them off at the same time. Wow. A Taurus 12-inch fan stops at 10 seconds. So the Sang box fan has a longer spin down time, such as the KTN 16-inch pedestal fan, about 13.5 seconds. That's all about for this Sang SBX12 box fan. Thanks for watching.